Hello, I just got this cordless vacuum from a seller and I can't wait to open it up, see what's inside the box, and I'll show you guys how to use it, how everything works. Alright, so we do have the instructions here on how to put it together, how everything works. One of the tubes, the extension. This also extends to make it longer. So we're gonna keep going. We have a brush, so you can vacuum with a brush. You have like a small little broom with one of those corners. You usually use those to cut hair, to take out everything that's kind of stuck in the vacuum. This is the bottom piece of the vacuum right here. This is how it looks. We also have the vacuum itself, and then this is the battery that gets attached to the vacuum right here. So kind of just slides in just like that. Next thing you want to do after you plug in the battery, this is the power on and off switch. So you just press it. It's going to start vacuuming from here. You also have a nice little LED screen here that you can adjust. So as you heard, it has 3 modes. It has a light mode, a medium mode, and a full blast mode that will suck up anything you give it. All right, to change out the dirty stuff inside, you press this button right here and it just comes out. Once you have this, you can go ahead and just open this up and then kind of dump everything out, clean it inside. It's really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of put it together. So we're gonna add the extension, and then we're gonna go ahead and just add the bottom one right here. It gives you a nice click. Like I said, press this button here. You can also extend it. So I mean, it is pretty nice in size. All right, to change this piece out, all you have to do is just press, pull, and then we can add this right here. You hear the click. You can add it, make it longer, or you can press it, you know, just move it closer right here, and it will still work. This right here is a stand, so you can attach it to the wall. There's 3 screws that come right here. You attach it, and then the charger, so this would be on the wall. This would kind of just click in, and it would charge because it has a charge port in there. So the charger, instead of going into vacuum, you can just plug the charger right in this port, just like that. So every single time, you don't have to just in and out. All you have to do is just kind of go in and it will charge and you would be good. All right, so there we have, before we start vacuuming, I'm gonna show you guys this display screen. It's really nice. So I'm gonna turn it on, and then you see this. This shows you the battery right here, which is also here. It shows you the speeds. So you have the low speed. So there's 2 ways that indicates the low speed, the medium and the high. You have 1 out of 3. You also have this kind of up there. You touch it one more, you have 2 colored. Now that one's all the way. And 3, they're fully colored, and this goes all the way. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. We'll just start with the slowest, and we're gonna go ahead and just vacuum that up. And I also like this, that it has a nice LED there, so we can also see it goes all the way flat, so you can reach into a tighter spot. So we're gonna go ahead and just vacuum that up. So this is the low speed, and as you can see, it cleans really nice. Yeah, it's a really nice vacuum. I really like it, and I highly recommend it. You guys should definitely get it.